FBI is warning people who are traveling from using free charging stations in airports. FBI Denver sent out a tweet which reads, "Avoid using free charging stations in airports, hotels, or shopping centers. Bad actors have figured out ways to use public USB ports to introduce malware and monitoring software onto your devices. Carry your own charger. Carry your own charger." That is FBI warning. That run to carry your own charger. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Some criminals have discovered ways of introducing viruses, or we call them malware, into your devices, whether mobile phones or maybe laptops or another devices that you are carrying while traveling at airports. Please do not charge them using the USB ports at the public places. I hope you will take care and you will avoid doing that. Otherwise, you will suffer.